it's Kia here from the Kia Makes Etsy shop, from Kia Creates and Inspiring Journals on Instagram, and from the Journal Club podcast. So last week I know we had a Halloweeny video with me showing you through this Halloween journal which I made for the Halloween Journal Challenge 2020. So if you haven't seen that already, definitely go and have a look at that. And I thought that today would be a perfect time to show you through this journal. So this was my Halloween journal from 2017 to 2019. And there's a video on my channel already that just shows you the little bit of Halloween journaling I did for 2017, but the Halloween Journal Challenge didn't begin until 2018, so that's when I started doing the majority of the work in this. And I can't believe I haven't showed you it already. I think I've done it on my IGTV but not on YouTube. So we can have a look through this today. I'm just going to light a candle, have a little bit of music in the background, but it's going to be a mostly quiet and relaxing one for you, so I hope that you enjoy this. enjoyed this flip through, thank you so much for watching. And I just wanted to remind you that if you like this kind of Halloween journaling, then you'll probably like all of the new Halloween journaling supplies that I've got on my Etsy shop, like the Halloween stickers and zines, so definitely go check them out. My Etsy shop is called Kia Makes. I've also got a really cool Journal Club package coming up for Journal Club members. The details to subscribe for that are in the description below. That's going to be a forest themed pack with loads of mushrooms and enchanted forest ferns, all of those kind of things, so you'll probably love that. And of course, if you haven't seen it already, we are launching an Inspiring Journals calendar for 2021. That's a really exciting project. I've got another video on that and another link down below, and I think that is everything for now. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week, hopefully with a journal with me style video, because it's been a while, of me making a Halloween journal spread. So I hope you're excited for that one, because I am. See you soon. Bye.